How to fix network error occurred in eFootball 2025 mobile. So pretty much your clear guide on fixing the specific network error occurred issue in this game. So based on both expert troubleshooting articles and some insights by existing users. So this is pretty much happening because of server maintenance or high traffic congestion, unstable or poor internet connection, corrupted or outdated game cache or app files, device network misconfiguration or DNS blocking, or restrictions from routers, VPNs, or antivirus apps. So the first thing you can go ahead and do is to restart the app and network. So basically just exit the game, quit, and pretty much enter the app back again or the game. Then just turn airplane mode on for 1 to 2 minutes, then pretty much off. So airplane mode on, this will turn off your connection, which will reconnect Wi-Fi or mobile data once you turn off your airplane mode again. Then just go ahead and relaunch eFootball again to see if the network is your issue. You'll also switch connection type. So if on Wi-Fi, you can try using mobile data, and if you're using mobile data, you can try using Wi-Fi to see which connection you have better. You can also go directly into your settings to try clearing some cache from the game. So just go ahead and search for apps inside your settings, and once you are in your apps, you can go ahead and look for the eFootball game, or you can directly just search for it. So here we're just gonna go ahead and search for it. So right there, go ahead to the bottom right. So just go ahead and try clearing cache. And if you go ahead and try clearing all data, make sure you have an account linked, since this will reset all the data you have. But if you have an account link, it should just pretty much simply go back to where your progress was. But you are gonna have to log in back again. You can also go ahead and try reinstalling it again. Reinstalling the app, you can go to your Play Store or App Store, uninstall the app, and try installing it again to see if that's the problem. You can clear data unless you want to reset app settings, or you can also go ahead to your Play Store, search for eFootball, and press on any updates that are currently available. So if there's an update option, then go ahead and try updating the game. Other than that, you can always go ahead and try waiting for later. It may be a server issue. It's gonna resolve itself. If so, you can go ahead and try re-entering the game 30 minutes later or an hour later, and retry using the retry button occasionally. But hopefully one of these methods can help you though, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.